Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive video to show you how to do a Hip Wurlitzer. You will need to know how to do a hip spin already, or a shoulder drop hip spin. They're the same thing. Link to that in the description below, so you can go back and fill that gap in your repertoire if you don't already know it. Assuming you're ready, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. It starts like an accordion, so we're going to go back, we're offering the hand, we do the return, we've picked up both hands, the lady comes around, right's high, left's low, guys turn right underneath, we take both hands to the shoulders, we take them out, back to the shoulders, we let them go, guys move away so the hands slide down and we catch them, so it feels very like a catapult at this point. And you probably could make this work from a catapult, though the energy is a little bit different. From here, guys, we're going to go over to the left, take both hands onto both hips, and we're going to squeeze in because we want the ladies to make a firm contact, because that's going to be the lead for the ladies. We take the hips over to the left. We're going to take just a little bit of extra prep time, so we're going to go over to the right, do a nice solid prep to the left, right hand comes up, we bump over to the right, so the lady gets a prep just like a Wurlitzer, left hand comes up, we now use that prep to get the Wurlitzer spin, bump the other way, turn, catch, and back, and you're done, because that was a return spin. Let's do the same thing from the other side, and we're going to think numbers. So we go back and offer 1, return, 2, make it to the shoulders, 3, we go out, 4, back to the shoulders, 5, down to the hands, 6, over onto the hips, over to the left, 7, prep, 8, prep, 1. So now we do the Wurlitzer prep, 2, we do the Wurlitzer spin, 3, and catch, 4. So let's do it together. And remember, guys, this time you're going to have to go bump, bump. So you're going to put lots of energy in, because that's actually going to be the energy that gets the lady to go. So here we try it. 5, 6, a hip Wurlitzer. It's offer, round, on the shoulders, out, back to the shoulders, catch, over to the left, right, left, bump, bump, and catch. And that is the whole thing. Hope you enjoyed it. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. The notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, as long as the notifications are turned on for your account. And finally, there is a music recommendation on the end. One of the windows will be to a music video, and that's just something that's nice to practice this to, so it gives you a tune you can use. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.